Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites, Python 3, 8 or newer, pip, and the system tool for Wi-Fi control. Once confirmed, install PyWifi or plan to use subprocess to call netch or nmcli directly. You now create a minimal script file, import the chosen library, and prepare credentials variables for SSID and password. Make sure to run a quick permissions test. On Linux you may need sudo, and on Windows run as administrator, because system calls require elevated rights. You proceed to implement the connection logic. If using PyWifi, scan networks, locate the SSID, create a profile, and call connect while polling the interface status. Once done, add timeout and retry logic so the script doesn't hang. If using subprocess, build a netch or nmcli command string, run it, and parse return codes and a stdout for success. Make sure to catch exceptions and log outputs, because parsing failures or permission denials are common and need clear handling. You finalize by verifying the connection. Run a simple ping to 8 or request a known endpoint. This confirms DNS and routing. Once confirmed, add secure storage for credentials, use environment variables or a keyring rather than embedding passwords. Then wrap the flow in a main guard and provide clear exit codes. If things go wrong, one key troubleshooting tip is to check the Wi-Fi driver and run permissions. Most failures stem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.